Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. So dolls, welcome back to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Also, go ahead and hit like and the notification bell so that you don't forget later on in this video. So dolls, today in this video, we are going to be doing a quick, and when I say quick, I mean quick, get ready with me. I am dressed and I am ready to go, baby. Happy New Year to y'all. I know I've already told y'all one time, but Happy New Year. If you are interested in this makeup look, this hair, baby, and it's just this look, period, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a quick little get ready with me. Honestly, I have already started, but it's okay because we're gonna do the rest together. And it's just on what? I started losing sun and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get in front of this window. Oh no, I got makeup right here. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna be using my Estée Lauder Rich Caramel foundation, and I'm just gonna put this all over. Trying to hurry up and do this, y'all, because the sun is leaving me and I gotta take pictures. So I hope y'all New Year's is going well. I hope y'all have been sticking to everything that you have set out to do this for yourself this year, and that you're knocking out your goals day by day. I've definitely been trying to do the same. I've been keeping busy and just knocking some stuff off my list as well, you guys. You gotta move in silence and you just gotta make stuff happen. But so far the start of this year has been good. I don't have any complaints. Certain things I wish moved a little bit faster, but it's okay because it's all about timing. This beat about to be so quick. I'm literally finna be done. Like, I'm finna be done. Y'all, I do not have that. Ooh, ooh. Ow! I just feel. But anyway, okay, so I do not have that ooh, ooh, cute feeling today. Like that makeup feeling because I took so long like cleaning up and just sanitizing. Like I be having stuff to do and then stuff to do on top of that. So it's like, dang, it's just not, it be feeling like it ain't enough time in a day. But I'm gonna get better with my time management. I really am. I got to get better. Like it's a must with my time management. It's a must. But everything that I'm using, it will be in the description box below. This is just the Fenty Banana powder. I'm currently out of my Sacha Buttercup, so that's why I've been using this like a lot. I ordered some more and I'm waiting for it to come in, so we got some more on the way, honey. Cause you know, I love my Sacha. I like this too, but I don't like to use it by itself because it's like super light. We are losing the sun, y'all, and your girl is looking Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my black Radiance contouring palette to contour my face. I set out this year, I did say I want to get more into like cream contouring, but I don't know, just ain't did it. If anyone is watching and you use cream contour instead of powder, please drop some suggestions below, because I'm definitely looking for a cream, like a good cream contouring cream so that I can try it out. Ooh, honey, this look like it's gonna be ugly. But we're gonna see, we're gonna ride it out to the end, because usually the makeup looks that you be like, ooh, I ain't really feeling that. By the time you get done, you be like, ooh, baby. Oh, whoa, whoa, this just, ooh. So, if y'all hear any talking in the background, honey, it's my son. That during Fortnite, baby, it's really taking over for the 99 and the 2000. And I'm tired of hearing it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my face powder to like blend all this together, like, you know, them lines and stuff. I be liking to put it a little bit on top of this Fenty, because I'm telling you, baby, it be braids. I'm gonna add some highlighter. I'm just using this one out of the Black Radiance Hot Contouring Palette. It's like I'm breathing hard. It's because I am. But we're gonna work on that this year, y'all. I'm telling you, I already done started today. I started my 21-day shake challenge. So y'all just wish me luck, okay? I think this is good enough. Now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild I think this is the eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it as a lip liner today. And I'm just gonna use this to carve out my lips. Y'all, I love my lips. They just so I love them. You know, God, he did his thing when he was making me. He gave me big lips and a big nose and a big everything else. But I embrace it. They just on purr. Got big thigh, honey, big hip, to be. But it's all right though, cause we still cute now. We still cute. But like I said, this year, baby, we're gonna work on a little bit of it now. I ain't complaining on them, but you know, we gonna make something shake. Cause I got things to do and places to go and people to see. All right, y'all. So for our lip combo, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 things that we're gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the color Driver. So I'm gonna put this in the middle. Next, we're gonna go in with our everything going over here, but I know it's the I Love Revolution or Revolution. It's at Ulta. I think it's Revolution, and the color is chocolate chip cookie dough. Baby, if you want that perfect like nude lip combo, this is it. So let me come closer. So pretty. Last but not least, well, second to least, is the MAC Snob lip gloss. I'm just gonna put this in directly in the middle, like right there, and just, okay, last but not least, I'm going in with my Broadway clear lip gloss. Ooh, baby. Setting spray. Never enough. This is the beat. Get into it. Now we finna go do this hair, boo. All right, y'all. Now I'm in the bathroom. We got a little bit better lighting in here. I was just too lazy to go get it. So first thing first, we gonna do these edges, which honestly I usually don't even do my edges. Well, I haven't been since I had this hair. I just been like brushing them, but because we're taking pictures today, and for the purpose of this video, we'll do our edges today. So I just use the even edge control to lay my edges down. This isn't the one that I usually use, honestly, and it's not that good. It's not that good, but it'll do for the time being. I don't put any edge control like on the actual lace. I used to until I learned that that wasn't a good idea. So honestly, whatever my hairstylist put on my edges when she did them, I literally haven't had to put anything. I just redo it like that and it be like back. Tie my edges down, and ooh, honey, my boobs ain't got no brown. Hope y'all can't see them things down there. Yeah, down there. Down. Same hair, you guys, from Vlogmas. I got this pack hair. Well, it's supposed to be bundles. One pack do all. It came with the closure and all that. And this is the same hair. I have just been wrapping it. I have not flat ironed this hair since I've had it in my head. Today, I am going to run a little bit of heat through it because I'm taking pictures and just for the purpose of this video. So, I wrap it, and honestly, y'all, this hair is like my hair. Like, it's not for no clout. I ain't chasing no clout, baby. Like, this is not sponsored. This hair is pretty good. It really is. I can't lie. And the closure is too. Like, it's really good. It looks like my hair. I need to invest into some new flat irons. I don't even remember where I got these darn things from. Bella Pro. But they ain't. I mean, they can definitely get the job done or whatever, but. Okay, so I just moved, y'all, and I like this a whole lot better. Look at me. Girl, look pretty. Girl, look like a pretty girl. Hey, Jazzy, who you good? Yeah, I like this better. I look pretty. Yes, come on. Y'all, I still be figuring stuff out. I can't lie. With vlogging and, like, making my YouTube videos, I literally learn stuff as I go. But, you know, I'll be trying to get better. So I can give y'all guys some good content. You know, don't nobody want to see nobody blurry, looking all dark. So just excuse my quality that I had in the beginning, because your girl was clearly being lazy. I could have been in here the whole time doing my makeup looking good like this. Girl, I look good. Anyway, honey, I ain't doing nothing major. I'm running these hot irons through this hair. And, we finna go. Because I got stuff to do. And I'm just taking so long, but I lost all my sun. And I honestly feel like the sun gone. So I'm finna have to work extra hard. This all I'm finna do, y'all. This it. Couple little. And I hadn't put anything on his hair either, y'all. Like, nothing. No washing, no shine oil, no serum, nothing. Just nothing. And it's still been looking good. Hanging in there. Can't lie. I never lie to y'all, though. I really wouldn't. I don't care if somebody paid me to do a sponsorship or anything. I would never lie. Like, I would never lie to y'all. Ever. Basically, this is my hair. Woo, baby. It's my hair. Like, it's just my hair. So don't worry about it. Girl, I be thinking I'm a hairstylist and I be doing stuff. I be like, ooh, what shot they be doing? So I'm gonna do this to my head. Ooh. Flat, baby. Flat. Lay her flat. Flat. Scalp. Scalp. I'll see this hair. Y'all just gotta excuse my shirt. Got a stain on it. Ain't got no brown thing slanging. So, scalp, and sloup, period. Ooh. Girl, okay, I know I need to hurry up because, girl, I gotta catch that sun. But anyway, all right, so I'm about to put my clothes on, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see my outfit. Ooh, it looks so pretty. Okay. You know, y'all already know the routine. You know, when you get cute, when you look cute, you look cute. You cute. That just don't fuck. So, girl, I'm gonna start. Baby, I'm gonna start getting ready. Like, you know what? Y'all probably finna get a whole bunch of get ready with me because I feel like I got this light, like, right. Finally, like, this is how I be wanting it to look. Like, baby, I look. Come on, girl. 4K HD. Who? Me. Per. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm finna go put my clothes on, and I'll be back. Okay. So, just a little behind the scenes. We had to come take a picture today for the Grizzy. And this is our location. Like, honey, when I say y'all, I'm trying to do better for y'all. Like, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at @officialjazzyb because baby. Okay, bye.